Network News.
Samantala, sa ibang balita mga kasama, nanatili pa ring overall #1 radio station sa Cebu City ang DYHP RMN Cebu. Batay po sa third quarter 2025 KBP Kantar Survey, nangunang DYHP RMN Cebu sa lahat ng AM stations na may 82% market share at sa lahat ng radio stations na mayroong 30% market share. Habang number 2 pa rin ang 93.9 IFM stations sa lahat ng FM radio stations sa Cebu na may 9% market share. Sa kabuuan mga kasama, 43% market share ang RMN at IFM Cebu dahilan para manatiling dominant radio network sa buong bansa. Nagpabot naman ng pasalamat si Atty. Rufil Banyok, ang station manager ng DYHP RMN Cebu, at sinabing ang pangunguna ng istasyon ay patuloy na epektibong paghatid ng masang mga balita at public service ng lahat ng radyoman ng RMN at IFM station Cebu, lalo na tuwing may kalamidad gaya ng daang lindol. Dilan sa pagtutulungan, nakalikom ang RMN networks ng 4 na milyong pisong tulong para naman sa mga apektado ng lindol sa Cebu at higit 300,000 pesos para naman sa mga nilindol doon naman sa Davao Region.
I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude for another milestone that our station DYHP RMN Cebu has achieved, being ranked as the overall #1 radio station here in Cebu. First of all, we thank God for His blessings and guidance. To the top management of RMN, daghang salamat for your unwavering support. Ug labaw sa tanan, to our loyal listeners and social media followers, daghang salamat kaninyong tanan. Because of you, DYHP remains the overall #1 radio station in Cebu. This is not just a title. This is a responsibility. But we must keep this position for at least 2 reasons. First, as the market leader in the broadcast industry, we have the duty to set the standard for how responsible broadcasting should be done here in Cebu, the Queen City of the South. Second, we know how to use our power for good. Just like in our relief campaign for the earthquake victims of both Northern Cebu and Davao, where we continue to help those in need. So sa lahat ng tagapakinig ng DYHP RMN Cebu, daghang salamat kaninyong tanan, and to God be the glory.
Mga kasama, yan si Atty. Rufil Banyok, Station Manager ng DYHP RMN Cebu. At mula naman po dito sa DCXL RMN Manila, tos puso ang ating pagbati. Congratulations DYHP RMN Cebu at IFM Cebu.
RMN Network News.